сонсох байгаа. Гэхдээ хэнийг томгтой үзмээр байна. Майкл Джексон. Энэ нэг ингэж үлээ.
Without you, it's like 2 months. Don't wanna close my eyes, I'm scared I miss too much. Cause you make me feel like I've never like that ahead. Oh, too long. Oh, too long. I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. I can't move on, baby doll. Waiting on calls, skipping 2 stations. I'm outclassed, it's outrageous. I'll take it all, baby doll. Whatever's been awaiting you. Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to the final show. I hope you're wearing your best clothes. Just stop your crying, it's a sign of I hear cherish the bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my soul and shield, the missionaries in a foreign field. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop, I know I can treat you better than he can.
어떠니까 유민이.
Got me thinking about when you were